Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the things that I like and dislike. Okay, let's start. Like, I really love going to the beach because listening to the sound of the waves, feeling the wind on my face, and watching the sunset makes me feel much happier and relaxed in just a second. Because everything is more pleasant. You don't have to be running or listening to the annoying sound of traffic. Dislike. I really hate to stay up late because I don't sleep the necessary time. I get up with eye bags. I'm lazy all day. I don't pay attention in class. I get very irritable. And also the dream. I lose. I don't recover it again. Okay, thank you guys. Bye!